What's the dumbest thing you believed as a child? When I was 6, my older sister convinced me that traffic lights were controlled by tiny people living inside them, but she didn't stop there. She said they only hired people under 4 feet tall because regular-sized people couldn't fit inside the lights. I believed her completely. Every time we'd stop at a red light, I'd wave at the traffic light and say, "Sorry you're so short." Sometimes I'd even hold up snacks thinking they might be hungry during their long shifts. My mom thought it was just me being weird, but I was trying to be sympathetic to their working conditions. One day at school, I saw my teacher, Mrs. Johnson, who was pretty short. She couldn't have been more than 4'8". It all clicked in my mind. This had to be her second job. I raised my hand in the middle of class and asked, "Do you work at the traffic lights on weekends?" The whole class went silent. She looked so confused and asked what I meant. So obviously I explained how they only hire short people to live in traffic lights and change the colors. I even asked if it was hot in there during summer and if they got overtime pay. The entire class burst out laughing. Mrs. Johnson had to leave the room because she was trying not to laugh. That's when my friend Marcus leaned over and explained that traffic lights were actually automatic. I spent the next week apologizing